Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego dog. You'll need 5 1x1 plates with clips, 1 lever or gear stick, a stud, 2 modified 1x1 bricks with studs on the side, this Lego Star Wars Clone Trooper pauldron, this Technic pin, and 3 1x1 tiles with clips. So first you're going to need to clip your 2 1x1 bricks together like this, and you can put that aside for now. Next, take a 1x1 plate with clip and a 1x1 tile with clip and join them together like this. Now do that with all 4 of your 1x1 tiles. So they are the legs of the dog, and you can put them on the body by placing them on the side. This design is used by many of my Lego animals, and soon I'll be making some more how to build animal videos. So anyway, next you get the Technic pin and the gear stick and attach that to the top, and you can place that in the back of the dog. So that's the tail, and next you get your stud and place that there. That's the neck, and you place your last 1x1 plate with clip on top of the stud. And now with the clone pauldron, you place it with the shortest side upwards like that, and then there is your dog. It's very cute design, and its tail can wag on all that sort of stuff, and it's very good for animation. So yeah, that's how to build a Lego dog. Stay tuned for more how to build Lego animal videos, including how to build a Lego lion. So I hope you enjoyed building a Lego dog.